Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Airtable brand database with asset governance step by step clearly. Open Airtable and navigate to your brand database. Locate the table that contains your asset information. Review the existing fields for comprehensive asset governance. Identify which fields need updates or additions. Create or modify fields to include governance data such as asset status, owner, and expiration dates. Check for consistency in field types across the database. If necessary, create drop-downs or checkboxes for standardized entries. Prepare any new asset information in a separate document or spreadsheet. Copy and paste new data into the appropriate fields in Airtable. For any existing records that require updates, make the necessary changes directly within the database. Utilize Airtable's attachment feature to add relevant file assets. Ensure each asset has the correct metadata associated with it. Review all changes for accuracy. Consider implementing a version control system for future updates. Once all data is updated, share the database with relevant team members or stakeholders. Set permissions according to the roles of the users who will access the database. Schedule regular reviews to maintain asset governance going forward. Document any changes made for future reference. Finalize your updates and ensure everything is saved correctly. Close out any relevant documents or tabs used during the process. Check back regularly to keep your brand database up to date with asset governance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.